So now we're going to start cleaning out the piston ring grooves. As you can see, there's a lot of gunk that gets in there, and this one's like really hard to get out, so I'm going to bead blast it, and yeah, it should be. This is a finished one, well, a bead blaster one. They're pretty much ready to have the rings put on them now, and then we'll start on the bearings after that as well. Another thing I discovered when doing the cleaning up the piston is that the oil holes, in the oil ring groove actually get clogged up, so it's best to drill them out. It's a 2.5 mil drill bit. But now those holes are clear and ready for oil. So that's the piston ready now, ready to be installed, all the rings on. One thing I didn't do was check the ring gaps, so I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to take the rings back off and then put them back on again, I guess. So how we'll check the ring gap is we'll just put it in here, turn it around, push it down with the piston till it's straight, and then you're left with the gap, and you chuck a feeler gauge in there. In this case we're going to be looking for around 0.47 of a mil clearance, as that's what I've read on the internet. And that's it, guys. So we got the pistons all in and the cranks all in. So that's it for this episode. Next thing we'll be doing is putting in the front and rear main seals, and then we can start on finishing off doing the head with all the valves and cams and stuff. Still waiting on camshafts, been over 12 months now. Bit of a hold up there, put the project on hold, but that happens when you get the big projects, doesn't it? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.